Hey everyone, I want to tell you about this wagon that I have here. This wagon is easily collapsed with one hand while you are out doing things. You can put your kids in here or you can use it for yard work, going to the parade, a theme park, lots of different uses, or just a walk around the neighborhood. It has really wide double axle tires, wheels, so you can go over sand or other things that other wagons would have a hard time with. It's made of a really thick and strong canvas material, and it has pockets inside with the zippers so you can put your stuff in there, keep it safe and zipped up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this and show you how it works.
Here's the nice wide wheels, 360-degree rotation on those, some hooks to hang things. And you can see how durable and sturdy that steel is. On the inside you have the pocket with the zipper, and the bottom here comes out. There's one more pocket with the zipper, and there's the loop that you pull on to collapse the wagon with one hand. So I'm just going to pull this around now, and you can see how it makes these really tight 360-degree turns. With ease. When you're done, just push it up and push the button on top of the handle, put it down, and it folds right in there. So I put my son in here and a very heavy bag that we take with us, and we're going to test it out. Just push the button, pull up on the handle, and it adjusts to your height. You can easily turn around even with him in there. Pull him on the grass. It goes over the grass very easily with hardly any effort, and look how easy it turns. Really maneuverable for a wagon. I love how high up the sides go so things don't fall out. I feel totally secure with my son in there. And I think we will be using this wagon a lot. When you're done with the wagon, it's really easy to collapse. You take the bottom out, and you just pull that black loop that I showed you, and the wagon collapses. Push it together. Take the canvas off the side of the steel so it can go together all the way, and just line up the wheels. And then the bottom of the wagon actually goes around it after it's folded down to keep it all together.